The last game was very challenging in certain ways. They've had a few days of lighter training, so hopefully they're all in a good place now physically. Preparing really well. We want obviously to pick up points from this game as we have in all others, and we're looking forward to it. They fight for things. At the end of the day, we're a very small nation. For us to get any success in football tournaments, male or female, we have to step on the pitch and fight every time we put that Welsh jersey on. We're not expected to outpossess most teams. We're expected to step on the pitch and win battles, and that's no different come tomorrow. At the end of the day, lots of these have been together for many years. You know, they come into the team when they were babies, and they've continued growing and developing. They're now in a situation where there's some babies with them, and they're having to help them do the same. And that's probably going to be the reality for us always as a small nation. So it's an environment that actually the girls respond really well to. They help each other, and if they continue doing that, I'm sure they'll get the success they want.
We're together and we'll work hard for each other, you know, whether we're playing friendly games or qualification games. Even in training camps, you know, the focus is we're all together, we push together, we want to bring the kids through, and you know, they're doing well at the minute, and yeah, it's just about the love for each other that we do have. We are a small little family basically, and we love meeting up together. She's no different to us. Yes, she's won a great award, but we love her the same as I love Haz and all the other girls, so massive for her and for Welsh football. Obviously her family are proud, but also we're proud of her, and she's done so much for the game in Wales, you know, alone, let alone when she's travelling and playing abroad. So it's massive for her, but it's also massive for us, and we all aspire to be like Jess. It always helps when the results are going your way, and you know, we're in the limelight a bit more now, and we're getting more press coming and wanting to know more about us, and that's, you know, credit to us and the staff that we're doing the job that we need to on the pitch and off the pitch. But yeah, it's good that, you know, we're getting sellout crowds now, and you know, little girls and boys are coming and wanting to speak to you after the game and get to know you, and they say, oh, I've joined football the last, you know, month, and their mums and dads speak to you, and it's just really nice for them to have that and support us.